Yes, Frontier, let's start uh, the tenses, how to change active voice into passive. First comes the tenses present indefinite. So what's the present indefinite formula in active voice? Subject, there is no helping verb, we use first form of the verb, and at last comes object. Now how you are going to change to passive voice? What's the passive voice formula? I told you in passive voice always you will have 5 things. Instead of subject, object will become in the beginning, then helping verb to show the tense, then always we use third form of the verb preposition by, and at the last instead of object we will use subject. Now because we are doing present indefinite, that's why present tense helping verb will be is mr, and you will use out of these three one according to your object. In case of past indefinite, what's the active voice formula? Subject, there is no helping verb. We use second form of the verb in case of past indefinite, and last comes the object. Now, how are we going to change it into passive? What's the passive voice formula? Formula will be same as you have done in present indefinite. Let's see the formula. Formula is same here. So what's the change here? Only we use the different helping verb according to the past tense. Past tense was and were. According to your object, you will select out of these two any. Okay. Future indefinite. Active voice formula. Subject first, because here in active voice subject is an active. Then helping verb we use in future, shall and will. First form of verb, and at last comes object. In passive voice formula will same, object instead of subject, then helping verb, then third form of verb, preposition by, and last comes instead of object, subject. Now in case of future indefinite, formula will be will and shall will converted into will be and shall be in passive voice. This is all about the formulas of the three indefinite tense. Just keep it in mind that formula is same all the time. 5 things are here: in present, in past, and in future. Only we are using the different formula of helping verb according to our tense. In future indefinite, will be, shall be. In past, was, were, and in present is mr according to our object. Now, in case of continuous tense, what will be the formulas? We are here present continuous, the first one. Active voice formula is subject, then we use helping verb is mr, first form of verb, and ing for continuous, then last come object. Now what happened in passive voice? Again 5 things will be here: object, helping verb, third form of verb, preposition by, and then last come subject. Here we have to show 2 things because we have present continuous. So first we have to show the present and then continuous. To show the continuity or the continuous tense in passive voice, we always use being, B-E-I-N-G, being. And for present tense is mr according to our object. So here helping verb for the present continuous is being, am being, are being. Now what happened in past continuous? Just see the past continuous formula of active voice: subject, helping verb, because it is past, that's why was, were. First form of the verb ing for continuation, and at last comes object. Again what happened in passive voice when you change the past continuous in passive voice? Just see, formula will remain same, only will change the helping verb. Just see here, formula is same: object, helping verb, third form of verb, by, and subject. Now here the helping verb is being, will use for continuous, and because it is past continuous, that for past we use was, were according to our object. Now future continuous active voice subject formula: subject, helping verb, verb first form, ing for continuous, and object. What's the Helping verb in case of future continuous active voice shall be, will be. Now what happened in passive voice? Yes, no passive. Already I told you that future continuous have no passive. Okay, only two continuous can be changed into passive voice: present continuous and past continuous. In present continuous, in passive voice we use is and are along with being, and in past continuous we will use being for continuous with was verb for the past tense. So this is all about the formulas of present definite and indefinite, three indefinite: present, past and future, and continuous of the three: present, past and future. Future have no passive. I have shown you. You will answer. You will be no passive. So this is about the formula and brief explanation of the indefinite and continuous for passive, active and passive. In next video, first we will do the exercises and example of indefinite and continuous. Then we will start the next one.